Students, theoretical questions from first book of first year. I am giving 50 questions. Answer them on paper and then check the answers. Okay? So let us start. Dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. Isodimensional quantity for entropy. If L is inductance, C is capacitance, then root of LC dimensional formula. Root of LC dimensional formula. Dimensional formula of root of mu naught epsilon naught. Dimensional formula of root of mu naught epsilon naught. Mu naught is permeability of free space, epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. Universal gravitational constant dimensional formula. Universal gravitational constant dimensional formula. When will be a body is in motion, when will be average velocity, instantaneous velocity are equal? What is distance travelled by the vertically projected body in the last second of upward motion? If air friction is taken into consideration, which is more, time of ascent or time of descent? In the curved path, the ratio of the distance and displacement less than 1 or more than 1. Area of velocity time graph represents pseudo vector. Example, angle between a bar cross b bar and b bar cross a bar is alpha, beta, gamma are angles made by the vector with x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Then sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is a bar plus b bar is equal to a bar minus b bar is possible when time taken to cross the river is independent of path of the projectile observed from another projectile. Velocity of the projectile is minimum at which position of the slantwise projectile? While fall of the projectile, what is the angle between velocity vector and acceleration vector? Is it acute angle or obtuse angle or right angle? Which component of velocity is constant for the projectile in its motion? For maximum range, what is the angle of projection? You can fall forwards when getting down from running train because of rocket working on the principle of cricketer pulls his hands back after catching the ball because of bullet fired from the gun. Which one having more momentum, bullet or gun? Which force is always perpendicular to the surfaces of contact? Which friction is self-adjusting? Which frictional force is self-adjusting? Static friction or kinetic friction or rolling friction? When you are walking towards north, what is the direction of the frictional force? What will be the nature of the lubricant? What will be the nature of lubricant? Frictional force depends on what factors? 10 Newton force is applied on a body, but body moving with uniform velocity. Body mass of the body 2 kg, body moving with uniform velocity. What is the frictional force acting on the body? Work done is independent of horsepower value. A bullet is fired from the gun. Which one having more kinetic energy? What is the area of force displacement graph represent? Electron volt is the unit of. A body collide another identical body at rest elastically. After collision, what is the angle between the motion of the two bodies? Heavy body moving with speed u collide a lighter body at rest. What is velocity of the lighter body after collision? in elastic collision which are conserved. Center of mass depends on what factors? Center of mass of Earth Moon system existed. Two bodies collide because of attractive force. Then the velocity of center of mass is moment of inertia depends on moment of inertia of a rigid body depends on if pole caps of the earth are melted, the duration of the day will be a body rolling with a speed u, then the velocity of the particle at highest point. Gravitational force is independent of aerial velocity SI unit. Escape velocity is independent of escape velocity, how much percentage greater than orbital velocity. A pendulum taken to the center of earth, then the time period of pendulum is. So these are the 50 questions. So check your answers. Check your answers. Dimensional formula of viscosity M1 L minus 1 T minus 1. Isodimensional formula of entropy is a thermal capacity or heat capacity. Root LC dimensional formula time period T. Root of mu naught epsilon naught dimensional formula reciprocal of velocity of light, that is L minus 1 T1. Universal gravitational constant dimensional formula M minus 1 L3 T power minus 2. Average velocity, instantaneous velocity are equal when body moving with uniform velocity. Distance travelled by the vertically projected body in the last second is g by 2. If air friction is taken into consideration, time of ascent is less, time of descent is more. When body moving in curved path, the ratio of distance and displacement greater than 1. Area of velocity time graph represent displacement. Pseudo vector example, angular momentum or torque. Angle between A bar cross B bar and B bar cross A bar is 180 degrees or pi radians. Vector making alpha, beta, gamma, then with x, y, z axis, then sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is 2. A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar minus B bar is possible when B bar is a null vector. Path of the projectile observed from another projectile is straight line. Velocity of the projectile is minimum at highest point, that is u cos theta. While falling projectile, angle between velocity vector and acceleration vector is acute angle less than 90. Which component of velocity remains constant throughout the motion is horizontal component. For the maximum range, angle of projection is 45 degrees. You fall down from running train, if you get down from running train because of inertia of motion. Rocket working on the principle of conservation of linear momentum or Newton's third law. Cricket pulls his hands back to increase the time of impulse. Bullet fired from the gun, then both bullet and gun having same momentum. Which force is perpendicular to the surfaces of contact is a normal reaction force. Which friction is self-adjusting? Static friction. While walking towards north, frictional force also towards north. Nature of lubricant. highly viscous, non-volatile, chemically inert. Frictional force depends on normal reaction and surfaces of nature of the surfaces. 10 Newton applied on a body of mass 2 kg, but body moving with uniform velocity, then frictional force is 10 Newton. Work done is independent of path. Work done is independent of path and time also. Horsepower value 746 watts. Bullet fired from the gun. Kinetic energy maximum for bullet. Area of Fs graph represent work done. Electron volt is unit of energy. A body collide another identical body at rest elastically. After collision, they can move in perpendicular directions. Heavy body collide lighter body, then velocity of lighter body is double that of the velocity of the heavier body, that is 2u. In elastic collision, both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. Center of mass depends on the distribution of mass. Center of mass of Earth-Moon system is inside the Earth. Two particles collide because of attractive force. At that time, velocity of center of mass is 0 and acceleration also 0. Moment of inertia depends on axis of rotation. Axis of rotation. Pole caps of the Earth melted. The duration of the day increases. A body is rolling with speed u. The velocity of the particle at maximum height is 2u. Gravitational force is independent of medium between them. Aerial velocity SI unit meter square per second. Escape velocity is independent of mass of the body and angle of projection. Escape velocity 41.4% greater than orbital velocity. If a pendulum taken to the center of the earth, the time period is infinity or pendulum does not oscillate. Okay, check your marks.